Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Lula Talk YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a practical programming project, creating a body mass index BMI calculator using Python in Jupyter Notebook. This is a great way to apply your coding skills while learning something useful about health and fitness. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understanding BMI. First, let's understand what BMI is. Body mass index, or BMI, is a simple calculation used to assess whether a person has a healthy body weight for a given height. The formula for calculating BMI is BMI equals weight K divided by Jabber M square of 2. This formula helps us determine if someone is underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese based on their height and weight. Step 2. Setting up the Jupyter Notebook. Next, we need to set up our Jupyter Notebook. Open Jupyter Notebook and create a new Python notebook. For this simple calculation, we won't need to import any additional libraries, so we can jump right into coding. Step 3. Writing the Python code. Now let's write the code to calculate BMI. Here's how you can do it. Let's break down the code. Function definition. We define a function called calculate BMI that takes two parameters, weight and height. It calculates the BMI using the formula we discussed earlier and returns the result. User input. The program prompts the user to enter their weight in kilograms and height in meters. We use the float function to convert the input from string to float for accurate calculations. BMI calculation. We call the calculate BMI function with the user-provided weight and height to calculate the BMI. Output. Finally, the program prints the calculated BMI and provides an interpretation based on standard BMI categories. BMI 18.5, normal weight 18.5, 25, overweight 25, BMI 30, obesity BMI 30. Step 4. Testing the program. Now it's time to test our program. Run the code in your Jupyter Notebook. When prompted, input your weight and height and observe the output. It will display your BMI along with its interpretation. This program can be further enhanced by adding error handling, allowing for different units of measurement, or even creating a graphical user interface for better user interaction. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Lula Talk channel, and hit the notification bell for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.